Students, welcome to the session. In our last class, we are discussing what do you mean by mechanism and what are the different types of kinematic chain. In that, we are already one type of kinematic chain we already discussed, that is 4-bar chain. So, in what are three types of kinematic chains are 4-bar chain, single slider crank chain, and double slider crank chain. So, in our last class, we are discussing one type of, that is 4-bar chain. So today we shall discuss single slider crank chain. So the name itself indicates it is a single slider. It consisting of one single sliding motion. One link is slider motion. So let us see. So this is an image of your single slider crank chain mechanism. So what are the links present? We can see here what are the links. So this is what frame, crank, connecting rod, piston and cylinder. So here the frame is a fixed link. Here the frame is a fixed link. Crank is a rotating link. Connecting rod is a connects crank and piston. So the piston is a reciprocates inside the cylinder. So ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ರೊಟೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ರೋಟರಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆರ್ ಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೋಷನ್. ಈ ತರ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎ rotating link. So here the connecting rod function is to connect, one end is connected to crank and another end is connected to piston. You can clearly see one end is connected to crank and the other end is connected to piston. So the piston can be reciprocating. ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, the piston can be having sliding motion. ಈ ತರ ಸ್ಲೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ದ ಪಿಸ್ಟನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೊಕೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. So it means crank is a rotating link and it forms whenever there is a turning motion between two links, it is having turning pair. So the crank is a turning pair, the piston is a reciprocating link and a sliding motion. So it is a sliding pair. So you can clearly see what happens in the image. There is a one line diagram. So this is called, number 1 is called frame, number 2 is called crank, number 3 is called connecting rod, and number 4 is called piston and cylinder. So you can see here the piston is in a reciprocates, to and fro motion can be occurring inside the cylinder. So here the frame is fixed at one point. So number 2, this link is called crank, is a rotating link. So rotary motion you can clearly see it is rotating around 360 degree. Whenever the crank having rotary motion, so it will connected to connecting rod. So the connecting rod is again connected to piston. So due to that the piston occurring reciprocating motion. It means finally, it means this mechanism is used to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. Rotary motion into reciprocating motion ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ I discussed 4-bar chain. So 4-bar chain is used to convert rotary motion into oscillatory motion. So this mechanism, single slider crank mechanism, is used to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. So you can write the point wise you can now within a point wise baribodu. So first point as usual as shown in the figure. Second point, what are the parts? It consisting of what are the parts? So already I said that what are the parts? Frame is one link, crank is one link, connecting rod is one link, piston and cylinder is one link. So you have to write out same thing. So it consisting of 4 links: frame, crank, connecting rod and piston. So next thing, we have to write each part functioning. What is the function of frame? What is the function of connecting rod? So we have to write the frame is in a fixed link and the connecting rod will connect crank and piston. You can write the third point. The frame is in a fixed link. The connecting rod will connect crank and piston. So next link, what is the function of crank? You have to write what is the function of crank. Here the crank is in a rotating element. So it is in a turning element. So it is in a turning pair. Whenever there is a turning motion, it will consider to turning pair. Same thing you have to write here. What we have to write? So the crank is in a rotating link and it forms in a turning pair. Same thing, what about what is the motion of piston? The piston is in a reciprocating link. So reciprocating means it is in a sliding motion. So that you have to write it is in a sliding pair. So the piston is in a reciprocating link and it forms sliding pair. So next, finally, what is the input motion and what is the output motion you have to write. We are giving input to rotary motion to crank, it will convert it into reciprocating motion of piston. Same thing you have to write. So this mechanism is used to convert rotary motion to reciprocating motion. So this is about single slider crank chain mechanism. So let us go for next topic, that is double slider crank chain mechanism. So the name, so the name indicates what it indicates. In single slider crank chain mechanism, there is only one sliding pair. Yes, sir. So here it consisting of two sliding pairs. Here it consisting of two sliding pairs. So that it is called as double slider crank chain. So that it is called as double slider crank chain. Why it is called double slider crank chain? Here in this mechanism, there are two sliding motions. So that it is called double slider crank chain. Let us discuss in depth. So you can see this is the line diagram, what we are saying. This is a line diagram of your double slider crank mechanism. So what are the links we can see? So this is what, this link is frame number one. So this link number one, link frame. So here also frame. Wherever hatching indicates in this diagram, so it is indicating frame. In hatching indicate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲವೂ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಟೂ ಅಂತ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ 2 is an a crank. Number 2 link is an a crank. So number 3 here, number 3 indicates. So number 3 indicates it is an a slider A. Number 3 indicates ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So it is an a slider B. So number 4 indicating. So number 4 here. So number 4 indicate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So it is number 4. So this is what? Slider B. So number 4 link is slider B. Sorry, slider A. Already B. This is slider B. So this number 4 is slider A. So number 2 is, this is what? Our crank. Number 2 is crank. So number 1 is, this is what? Frame. So these are the links we can see here. So it consisting of how many links? 4 links. So first is frame, second is crank, third is slider B, and fourth link is your slider A. So hatching, wherever is hatching indicate, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ hatching ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, so hatching ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ lines hatch ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. So it is called frame. It is in a fixed link. So same thing, the crank is in a which link? Rotating link. The crank forms in a rotating link. ಅಂದ್ರೆ crank ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Rotary motion. It consisting of a rotary motion. ಈ ತರ it is in a rotating link. So the crank is in a rotating link. It will turn around 360 degree. It consisting of a turning motion. It having some turning motion, so that it is called as a turning pair. The two sliders here, the main important, the two sliders, the slider B here and the slider A is here. The two sliders can be having reciprocating motion. The two sliders having reciprocating motion. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಲೈಡರ್ಸ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ? The slider B is reciprocates in vertical direction. It will slides in vertical direction, up and down. You can see this arrow mark. It will reciprocate in up and down direction. The slider A will be reciprocates in horizontal direction. There are two sliders here, the slider A and the slider B. The slider B will be reciprocates in vertical direction and the slider A can be reciprocates in horizontal direction. It means whenever the crank is rotating, we are giving input to crank, rotary motion. So that rotary motion is converted into reciprocating motion. So where is the reciprocating motion is occurring? In slider B and slider A can be reciprocate, so that these two, slider A and slider B, having sliding motion, so that it is called double slider. You can see here the animation video. We can having clear picture about this. So you can see here the animation video. So what happens in this animation video? So you can see it will the crank is rotates there about one point. So in this inside the clut section, the maroon color dot here, the maroon color dot, so that that will be reciprocating inside the slot whenever the crank is rotating. So that maroon color will be reciprocating in up and down direction, up and down inside the that cut slotted. This is a slot. So next another one slider will be reciprocating in horizontal direction. You can see the view. So this is what, so this is what your slider, this is what your slider B. And so this is the, you can see this is your slider A. So this is your slider B, and exactly this is your slider A. So here the crank. So whenever the crank is rotating, this slider B will be reciprocating inside this slot up and down direction, and this slider A will be reciprocating forward and backward direction. You can see it clearly in this animation video. What happens, the slider A and slider B, how the slider A and the slider B will be reciprocating motion will be occurring. So it means it consisting of two sliders, slider A and slider B, it will be reciprocating. So finally this mechanism is used to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. Rotary motion to reciprocating motion ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ mechanism ನ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this mechanism consisting of how many links? 4 links, crank, frame, crank, two sliders, slider A and slider B. Here the frame is in a fixed link, crank is in a rotating link and forms in a turning pair, and the two sliders having reciprocating motion, so that these two sliders are sliding pair. Finally this mechanism is used to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. Same thing you can write down in point wise here. So the frame is in a fixed link, crank is in a rotating link and forms a turning pair, and the two sliders will be sliding or forms the sliding pair. Finally this mechanism is used to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. So these about the basic types. These about the basic types of your, what about your mechanisms. So next thing is inversion. So next topic is our inversion. So what do you mean by inversion? For example, okay, for example ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. Innovation, we have to do innovation ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to obtain new things, we have to obtain the new things ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನೋವೇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇನೋವೇಟ್ ದಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಸ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಥಿಂಗನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ? ಕೈನಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಚೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 4 ಬಾರ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಬಲ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ 3 ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ 3 ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಅವರು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಇನ್ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಾರೆ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್, so the method of fixing different links, the method of fixing different links, the method of fixing different links ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇನ್ ಎ ಕೈನಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಚೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕೈನಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ನ? ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಓನ್ಲಿ 3 ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಸರಿಯೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಸ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹೊಸ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೈನಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ 4 ಬಾರ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇದೆ. 4 ಬಾರ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್, ವೈ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಎದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು? ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಕ್ಕರಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೈ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಒಪ್ಟೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನೇ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So the method of fixing different links in a kinematic chain to get different mechanisms. Now already mechanism ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? We have to fix any one of the link. You have to fix any one of the link in a kinematic chain which is used to transmit the motion from one point to another point. Same thing, ಒಂದು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಂಗೆ ಅದೇ ತರ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು? ಇನ್ ಎ ಕೈನಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಚೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಬಾರ್ ಚೈನ್ಗೆ ಬೀಮ್ ಇಂಜನ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿವರ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ನೀವು ಎರಡೆರಡು ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಬೀಮ್ ಇಂಜನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿವರ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ coupler rod of locomotives or double crank mechanism. So inversion of single sided crank chain is also two mechanisms. One is pendulum pump or bull engine, another one is crank and slotted lever or quick return mechanism. So next, inversion of double slider crank chain is also having three types: elliptical trammel, Scotch yoke mechanism and old Amps coupling. So these are the inversions and types. So inversion andre we can fix different links in a kinematic chain, we can get different mechanisms. In that 4 bar chain we have two inversion, one is beam engine and second one is coupler rod of locomotive. And inversion of single slider crank chain also two things: pendulum pump and crank and slotted lever mechanism. So inversion of double slider crank chain also three types: elliptical trammel, Scotch yoke mechanism and old Amps coupling. So students, this is about different types. So next session we have to go for one by one mechanism. For 4 bar chain beam engine idella, so beam engine ಬಗ್ಗೆ coupler rod ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ತರ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು beam engine ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಓಕೆ.